Are you tired of the daily grind of a 9 to 5 job and dreaming of a life where you can do what you love without worrying about finances? If so, you might want to consider earning passively. Passive income is a way to make money without actively working for it, and it can be a game changer when it comes to building wealth and achieving financial security. Renowned author Robert Kiyosaki is a firm believer in the power of passive income. He believes that earning passively is the key to creating wealth and achieving financial freedom. In this video, we'll explore Kiyosaki's latest views on passive income and his top 6 recommendations for cash-flowing investments that can help you earn additional income in 2023. But before we dive into the top 6 cash-flowing assets, it is important to understand what passive income is and why it is so crucial. Passive income is money that you receive without actively working for it. This means that you can make money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your family. It is a way to earn money without sacrificing your time and energy, and it can be a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom. As we embark on a journey into the future, it becomes increasingly important to explore the possibilities of generating passive income. In a world where financial stability and freedom are highly sought after, finding assets that can generate a steady stream of earnings with minimal effort is like discovering a hidden treasure. So, if you're ready to seize control of your financial destiny and unlock the potential of passive income, we invite you to join us on an exciting adventure. In this captivating YouTube video, we delve into the realm of Robert Kiyosaki's expert insights and unveil his top 6 recommendations for cash-flowing investments. Prepare to be enlightened as we unravel the secrets behind these lucrative opportunities that have the power to transform your financial landscape. Imagine a life where your money works for you, where you can enjoy the fruits of your labor without being tied down by the constraints of traditional employment. With Kiyosaki's invaluable tips and strategies, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to embark on your own wealth-building journey. From real estate ventures to annuities, we'll explore the diverse world of cash-flowing investments. Discover how rental properties can provide a consistent source of income, or how dividend stocks can deliver regular payouts. Uncover the potential of peer-to-peer lending platforms and the exciting world of online businesses. The possibilities are endless, and the choice is yours. By implementing Kiyosaki's recommendations, you'll be equipped with the tools to create a life of financial abundance and achieve the dreams you've always envisioned. Imagine the freedom to travel the world, pursue your passions, and provide for your loved ones without the constant worry of financial instability. So, join us on this captivating journey as we unlock the secrets to passive income and guide you towards a future filled with financial prosperity. Get ready to take charge of your finances, build wealth, and turn your dreams into reality. The time is now, and the possibilities are limitless. First on our list is real estate.
The beauty about real estate is you learn to use debt to get rich. I'll give you another tip. If you're going to be rich, you have to learn to use debt. It's called other people's money.
Real estate is a tried and true asset that has been recommended by financial experts like Robert Kiyosaki. Kiyosaki believes that real estate offers a steady income stream that can support a lifestyle and build wealth over time. Plus, who doesn't love the idea of owning a tangible asset that you can see and touch? Kiyosaki recommends investing in rental properties, commercial properties, and real estate investment trusts or REITs. He emphasizes the importance of finding properties in high-growth areas that are likely to appreciate over time. And the best part, you can learn to use debt to get rich with real estate by leveraging other people's money. You can acquire properties that generate cash flow and appreciate in value over time. Next on our list is dividend stocks.
And risk is you look in the mirror. It's who's looking back at you. You're the risk, not the investment. For example, I invest in a lot of real estate and say, oh, real estate is so risky, so I think I'll buy ETFs. So you play it safe, but you'll learn more by investing in real estate.
Dividend stocks are another way to bring about cash flow. When you buy this type of stock, you receive a portion of the company's profits through a dividend payment. Kiyosaki shared how he invested in an organization that paid a payout of over 20% annually. He believes that investing in equities can provide an excellent source of earning passively, especially for those willing to research and invest in high-quality brands. By investing in dividend stocks, you can earn a steady stream of income without having to sell your shares. This can be a great way to supplement your income and build wealth over time. Our third asset is businesses. Businesses can be a great source of passive income if set up correctly. The idea behind building an inactive revenue business is building a system that can run without requiring constant attention from you as the owner. This means you must start a scalable business capable of generating revenue without continuous involvement. This can include ebooks, online courses, and other digital products that can be sold online. Fourth on our list is intellectual property.
So when I create that cash flow game, it's intellectual property. It's patented. It's in 50 different languages. Every quarter they send me a check. Zero investment into it. When I write a book, like this book here, I think I make about $600,000 a month just from royalties coming off this book, because I sell the book to a book publishing company and they send me a check.
Intellectual property, or IP, is an excellent source of cash flow revenue if you have valuable ideas, inventions, or creative works that you can protect legally. IP refers to intangible creations of the mind such as patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets that can be owned and used to create more revenue. For example, if you have a unique invention, you can patent it, license it to others for a fee. Similarly, if you have a popular blog or YouTube channel, you can monetize it through advertising revenue or sponsorships. Fifth on our list is peer-to-peer lending.
Well, it's loaning money to people who can't get a loan anywhere else.
Loans vary in terms of like risk and interest rate, and
but they're all people that couldn't go to the bank. If they could go to the bank, they would go to the bank.
Peer-to-peer, or P2P, lending is an alternative investment strategy that can bring about earning passively by connecting borrowers directly with investors through an online platform. By lending money to individuals and small brands via media, investors can earn a steady stream of passive income through the interest payments. This type of investment can be risky, so it's important to do your research and only invest in reputable platforms. Last but not least, we have annuities. Annuities can be a source of available earnings, providing a guaranteed earnings source in pension. However, annuities also carry some risks. One of the main risks is that the annuity payments may not keep up with inflation, which can erode the value of the income over time. It's important to carefully consider the terms and conditions of any annuity before investing. So there you have it, folks. 6 of the top cash flowing assets for passive earnings. Whether you're interested in real estate, dividend stocks, businesses, intellectual property, peer-to-peer lending, or annuities, there's an option out there for you. To wrap things up, let me just say that the beauty of passive income is that it is like having a money tree that keeps on giving without you having to water it. It's the gift that keeps on giving, even when you're not actively working. So why not plant some seeds today and watch your financial garden grow? Maybe one day you'll be able to sit back and relax while your passive income does all the heavy lifting. Now, that's what we call living the dream. It is great to hear that you're taking the time to learn about investing. Remember, investing is a long-term game, not a short-term sprint. It is important to take your time and carefully assess your options before making any investment decisions. Rushing into things like a bull in a china shop can lead to broken investments and financial losses. However, with the right strategy and approach, investing can be a great way to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. It is also important to remember that investing can pay off in the long run. And hey, who knows? With enough passive income, maybe you'll finally be able to afford that luxury yacht you've always dreamed of. Just don't forget to invite us along for the ride. Before we say goodbye, please don't forget to show your appreciation. If you found this discussion about finance interesting, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to create engaging and informative content. So, go forth and invest wisely, my friends. Remember to take your time, do your research, and make informed decisions. With the right approach, investing can be a great way to achieve your financial goals and secure your future. Good luck!